Hello, everybody. I am Miss Rivera, also known as Buzz Lightyear. Today, I took off my little parts of my costume in order not to look too strange. I wanted to record a video so that you would know how to access IXL because today I'm giving the students all of their username and passwords. Now, I do know that some students have already started using IXL because they remember their passwords from previous years, and that's totally fine. But for those of them who did not remember, I printed out cards and laminated them, and they should be in their binders. So I wanted to show you how you get to IXL and where to find the best lessons to do. So right now I am sharing my screen and you should see the Talbot website. And that is just talbot.sbac.edu. You can also Google Talbot Elementary School and it'll show up. Once you're here, you want to make sure that you go to My Portal. My Portal is where the students are going to log in with their Active Directory. As far as I know, all the students know their passwords already, but if you don't, please let me know and I'll share that with you. Once you sign in, and I am going to be signing in as me, but it will look very similar. Once the students sign in, they are going to see their menu of options pop up, and it's usually by category. For example, there's like classroom textbooks, the media center, but if they go to the supplemental resources, they're going to see all of these pop out. Here is IXL. When they click on IXL, and I'm not sure if the students already have the portal already with their username and password. If they don't, that's when they will use the card that I gave them. Here's for their username. They do not have to type Adalatra at the end because it's already here. And then their password. I usually sign in with Google because I can do that with my teacher username, but they will put in their information right here. So this is going to open. Once you're in there, if you go to learning, the learning tab, you're going to see that underneath math, there's this little thing called skill plans. That to me is the best way to go about this instead of going through the grade level. So if you go to skill plans, it's going to pull up a list of textbooks that are available through IXL. And if you scroll and find the one that's available for our county, which is Big Ideas, it looks exactly like their math book does. They're going to go to 4th grade. You can actually pin it too so that it shows up at the top. So they're going to go to their grade level. So if you're a 3rd grader, you're going to go to your 3rd grade book. If you are a 4th grader, you're going to go to your 4th grade book. And here's the wonderful thing. You can print this entire plan if you'd like to too and highlight stuff that they have done. But if you scroll down, you'll see that every chapter that we've been doing is on here. So right now, for example, for 4th grade, we're doing factors, multiples, and patterns. So they could go right here and do the lessons that have to do with each of the individual lessons from the book. So I thought it would be pretty wonderful. I usually like my students to score above a 90 on them because that way I know that the skill has been really learned strongly. And what I want to do is also offer bonus points for students who have been doing these. So I want to do 1 bonus point for every lesson that they complete to be used on their test at the end of the chapter. So for example, right here for lesson 1, there could possibly be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So up to 14 bonus points that could be used in their test. So if sometimes parents like to ask me, hey, do you offer any extra credit? And usually I do not. This is how I'm going to use my extra credit. They can use bonus points on the test in order to do this. So I hope that you understand how to get here. 3rd grade works the same way. Just make sure you click 3rd grade and I will check periodically to make sure that they are doing their lessons. I don't make it an obligation just because I know not everybody at home has access to a computer they can use at all times or reliable internet. So that's why I don't make it part of a homework grade, but I would love to see students using it and I will check periodically to see if they are. Alrighty, I hope you have a fantastic weekend and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.